Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will discuss about Sania Malhotra. Sania Malhotra is an Indian actress who works in Hindi films. She began her career with supporting roles in the biographical sport film Dangal and the comedy Badaiyo, both of which rank among the highest grossing Indian films. Her still capture range of expression and mood, highlight her versatility, expressive capabilities as an actress and model. Sania Malhotra is seen embracing contemporary fashion trends. Her unique chic sense of style. Sania Malhotra is known for her charming appearance, which set her apart in the film industry. Her looks combine natural beauty with an approachable girl next door charm. Sania has pretty yet athletic build. Her well-toned physics is the result of her dedication to fitness and dance that complements her Indian heritage. Her skin is often seen glowing with or without makeup. Sania's eyes are expressive and captivating. They are one of the most striking features and often highlighted with minimal makeup. She has a warm and infectious smile that adds to her likability on screen presence. Sania is known for her natural curly hair, which she often leaves its natural state. Her curls have become a signature part of her look, adding to her unique charm and individuality. While Sania is mostly seen with her natural curls, she occasionally experiments with different hairstyles for various roles and public appearance, including straightening hairs and elegant subdots. Sania's casual style is relaxed and chic. She often opts for comfortable, trendy outfits like jeans, t-shirt, and casual dresses. She looks equally stunning in traditional Indian attire, such as sari, lehengas, and salwar kameez. Her ethnic look are often simple elegance yet highlighted her natural beauty. For formal events, Sania crosses a mix of contemporary and classy style. She favors well-fitted gowns and designer dresses that accentuated her figure with maintaining a sophisticated look. Sania Malhotra embraces her natural beauty, often sporting minimal makeup that enhances her natural beauty without overwhelming them. She is known for her fresh face look and prefers subtle, natural makeup style that highlight her best features. Sania's fitness toned body is the result for her regular fitness routine. She is a trained dancer, which not keep only her shape but also added grace and pose to her movements. Her fitness regimen include a mix of dance, yoga, and strength training, contributing to her overall well-being and radiant appearance. Sania Malhotra's physical appearance characterized by her natural curls, expressive eye, and warm smile, along with her fit physics and unique style, to make her a notable presence in the entertainment industry. Sania Malhotra has carved out of a niche with her versatile acting skills and relatable persona. She is perceived as a down-to-earth nature and approachable actress, which endorses to her wide audience. Her media image is built on her talent, authenticity, and the refreshing honesty she brings to her roles and public interactions. Sania gained widespread recognition with her film Dangal 2016, where she played the role of Babita Kumari, one of the Foggart sisters. The film was a massive success and her performance was highly praised. This role established her as a promising newcomer in Bollywood. She is known for choosing diverse and challenging roles that showcase her acting range. For the innovative and determined Babita in Dangal to the quickly and free-spirited Aditi, she has a positive relationship with the media, known for her friendly demeanor during interviews and public interactions. Her genius and straightforward answer have made her a favorite among journalism. Sania's rapport with her fans is also strong. She often takes time to acknowledge and interact with them both online and offline. With the film industry, Sania is respected for her dedication and professionalism. Director and co-actors frequently praise her work ethic and the energy she brings to the set. She is seen as a rising star with potential for a long and successful career in Bollywood. Sania Malhotra's casual style is relaxed and chic, often reflecting her vibrant personality. She is frequently seen in comfortable and trendy outfits that include t-shirt, jeans, Sania for a variety of jeans paired with a stylish t-shirt or casual tops, creating a laid-back yet fashionable looks. She enjoys wearing casual dresses that are easy to wear and versatile, perfect for everyday outing or informal events. Sania is also spotted in aesthetic outfits, which are both functional and stylish. Sania looks stunning in traditional Indian attire and carrying it with grace and elegance. Her ethnic wardrobe often features. She chooses sari in various fabric and designs, ranging from simple cotton sari for casual occasion to heavy embroideries one for a special event. For festival occasion and wedding, Sania preferred lehengas and anarkalis that are rich in color and intricate in design. For a more relaxed ethnic looks, she opts for salwar kameez set and kurtas, often paired with traditional jewelries and duties. Sania's red carpet appearance are marked by a blend contemporary and classic style. She is known for her ability to experiment with different looks while she maintaining elegance. Her choice for formal events include Sania often wear well-fitted gowns that enhance her silhouette. These gowns can range from minimalistic design to more elaborate ones with embellishment and unique cuts that are sophisticated and stylish, showcasing her fashion-forward sensibility. Sania occasionally opts for jumpsuits and coordinate sets that offer a modern and edgy twist to her red carpet looks. Her street style is a mix of casual and chics, often incorporating trendy pieces that are both comfortable and fashionable and match different elements to create unique looks, such as pairing a casual t-shirt with a statement skirt or accessorizing a simple dresses with bold jewelry. Accessory choosing are usually understand but effective in enhancing her overall looks. Minimalistic jewelry, statement pieces, and footwear Her signature natural curls are often left loose, adding to her distinctive appearance for normal events. She may style her hair in elegant updots for soft waves. Sania Malhotra's dressing sense is a blend comfort, elegance, and modernity. She effortlessly transitions between casual ethnics and formal wears, always maintain her unique style and personality. Sania was born 25 Feb 1992 in Delhi, India. She grew up in a Punjabi family and had a keen interest in performing arts from a young age. Sania's passion for dancing led her to pursue a degree in dance from Gargi College, University of Delhi. Before making her mark in Bollywood, Sania participated in various dance competitions and a reality show. Her breakthrough came when she was selected for the role of Babita Kumari in the highly acclaimed film Dangal 2016. The film, based on the real-life story Indian wrestlers Geeta and Babita, was a massive success, and Sania's portrayal for Babita earned widespread recognition. Sania is known for her dedication to fitness dance, which are an integral part of her life. She continued to practice various dance forms and often share her video on social media. Her love for dance is evident, adding a unique flair to her role. Sania continued to explore variety of roles with her talent and dedication. She is expected to take more challenging and diverse projects in the coming years, further establishing herself as a versatile complement actress in the film industry. Sania Malhotra's journey from a dance enthusiast in Delhi to celebrated actress in Bollywood statement to her passion, hard work and talent. Her ability to portray a wide range of characters with authenticity has made her one of the most promising young actors in the industry. So guys, here's the some detail of Sania Malhotra, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe Select Clip for more videos like this.